Hello everybody, so today it's just a review. So this is my Dyson dc07 allergy upright vacuum cleaner. Today I'm going to get rid of the dust. So you just put the lid there and then take the part off, and then you take this off. And if you got a blockage here, then you can take yours off. So you need to take the top section off. So how to remove the blockage. So I'm going to show you. Then I'm going to use the screwdriver. So this one is a little bit. So this one's got a little slide switch. Then there I've got this Dyson logo. So but that, and it doesn't fit unfortunately. But let's use this one again. Hopefully this works. Hopefully. Of course, it does actually work. Then you're going to put it in your bag. Then you need to use this. Hopefully this one. So I'm going to show you this good amount of time. You can, but you can get this. So if you want a new Dyson to look rather nice and clean, all you do have to do is take the screwdriver. Unfortunately, this is going to be a long video, so yeah. So you have to stay tuned, because this is, and that is just come off, so I'm wet. Oh dear. Then you need to take this thingy right off, because I want this Dyson to look nice and stronger. Then hopefully this Dyson looks perfectly fine. Okay. Then I need to look. Oh dear. And then I'm going to go and put the bath on, so it will be nice and running hot water, so it can kill the stains right off my Dyson. Then you need to put 4 ounces of liquid of Ariel Cotton Standard. There we go. Then we need to put it in the bath. Wow, that sounds good. Then you need to put the lever on here. There we go. So I can have a nice, clean vacuum cleaner. So it can work perfectly good. And then we need very liquid. Good. And then we need some powder. And hopefully this can get rid of the stains. Then we're going to put it in. First we need a lot of water. And make sure the Dyson works so good. So please stay tuned until the end of this video. And then I'm going to re-put it back together in my next video, because this is me part 1. Okay. Hi. No worries. Then, so we're going to use this. So I can hopefully the Dyson works correctly. Yeah, so this means the Dyson can look so good. And hopefully this Dyson's going to last a long time. So so I've got the hair dryer to dry it and then put it together in my part 2 video. So what am I gonna do until the end, until part 2? So stay tuned for my part 2. This is gonna be super exciting. So, and then you just clean this, rinse it. And I love this kind of vacuum cleaner, because this is going to be a very good vacuum. I like this vacuum to be much nice and clean. So I'm going to put this, and next I'm going to wash these. Then you're going to use your rubber hands. So to make sure my Dyson looks so well. And I'll see you then, hopefully. So I'm going to set the timer for 24 hours, because this is going to be a super fun video. So this is just a fun video. I've got this Dyson, and this is around £240. So I spent all my, and I got it just for 80 quid. And I'm going to use this flannels gonna wash. So I'm going to in there, going to wash it twice a day. Then make sure the vacuum is so correctly. Yeah, it's only for the day. So I really wish I can get another Dyson so it can work so perfect and look nice, because I like new things, like I like to wash every single vacuum. This is February, this is December 2021. And and hope you have a then I'm going to use the shower to get rid of all the stains off. My Dyson vacuum cleaner. Okay, so now I've got the shower. Then I'm gonna turn it on. I'm looking forward to really get a new vacuum. Hopefully this thing works correctly. Then I'm going to pop this. Then I'm going to use my thingy for the Dyson vacuum. Let's see, this is the Dyson dc07 animal. And the clutch when it's exactly the same. So, because I want my vacuum to look spotless. And I want everything to look spotless. So, just put a little bit of detergent. And then, then I can use it for the house, for very good ideas. So, So guys, just get rid of the dirt. Listen, just get rid of the dirt. And make sure my dyson's spotless. And be sure yeah, it's just a little bit. And there's a little bit left for the washing machine. So then I'm gonna wow. No! 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 Later! Just go! What? 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 What?
Yeah, and why has he got this in there? I have them.
Why did you...
Open the door.
What are you doing with that?
Look, you
is
don't have
dangerous.
plugs in the.
This is dangerous.
Here.
Yes.
You can die.
You can die with that. Don't do that.
I can't die.
Why is this in here? Is it to break it?
Oh, no.
Don't lock the door. Don't you lock the door.
Why?
This is not happening.
Don't-
Get it. Come on, what
Okay.
should you be doing?
Right. You put this outside. It's just washing that.
You can't take electricity in here. It can't happen, Francis.
Well,
It's not a joke.
Well, it is.
It's not something for the computer.
I'm
It's
just...
serious.
Get out!
Okay. Right. Now you can wash it.
Don't ever take a plug in here again.
Okay. Come on.
Well, I don't want these plugs. You don't want them.
Why did you unlock the door? I apologise for my daddy. I apologise for this, guys.
I hope you don't post that.
I apologise. I will. I apologise for this, guys. So I'm sorry about my dad's. I'm sorry about my dad's behaviour. I'm so sorry, guys. I'll remember this is not going to happen again. I'm sorry for my daddy. I'm so sorry, guys. So hope my daddy doesn't get in my. And hope. I'm so sorry. Sorry. It was not my fault. So please stay tuned. Please don't get mad at us. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so sorry, guys. I didn't. But my father is in your video. So apologise for that. So hope you enjoy this. If you feel free to give a like and subscribe. Bye bye.